Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ready to bring your PS4 controller's comfort and familiarity to Rocket League on your PC? This 2025 updated guide makes the process incredibly straightforward, so you can stop fumbling with keyboards and start scoring goals. We'll walk you through both wired and wireless setup options, ensuring a smooth, hassle-free connection. Get ready to experience precise control and fluid gameplay, giving you a competitive edge in every match. It's time to elevate your game. The simplest way to get playing is by using a wired connection. Just grab any standard USB micro B cable, the same one you use to charge your PS4 controller, and plug one end into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your PC. Windows typically detects and installs the necessary drivers automatically within a few seconds. Once connected, fire up Rocket League, and your controller should be instantly recognized and ready for action without any further steps. For a cable-free experience, connecting wirelessly via Bluetooth is your best bet. First, ensure your PC has Bluetooth enabled, either built-in or with a small adapter. Then, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PS button and the share button until the light bar flashes rapidly. On your PC, go to Bluetooth settings, select Add a device, and click on Bluetooth. Choose Wireless Controller from the list to finalize the connection. To truly optimize your PS4 controller for Rocket League and other Steam games, utilize Steam's Big Picture mode. Open Steam, then click the Big Picture mode icon in the top right corner. Once inside, navigate to Settings, then Controller Settings. Make sure the box for PlayStation configuration support is checked. This allows Steam to properly interpret your controller's inputs, offering advanced customization and ensuring the best compatibility, even letting you remap buttons directly within Steam. If you encounter any connection hiccups, don't worry. First, try restarting your PC or checking Device Manager for driver updates under Human Interface devices. Sometimes, simply unplugging and replugging a wired controller or repairing a Bluetooth one resolves minor issues. Finally, ensure Rocket League's in-game controller settings are correctly set to controller and not keyboard/mouse. With these tips, you'll be enjoying seamless, responsive gameplay with your PS4 controller in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.